Welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video I'm going to be going over another trade recap of the trade that I took today on the Nasdaq. So I haven't posted in a while because I've been on holiday. So this is the first trade I've took since I've been out on holiday, so we're going to get straight into it. So as you can see now, it's just before 9:30, which is when I start trading New York time. So we normally get an influx of liquidity at 9:30. So like pre-market I'd jump on and just mark out my levels. So here I've got the sessions indicator on. You can see I've got the London high marked out. We've got the London low here. Okay, so I'll mark that out. These are using the settings that I've made a video on. So if you want to mark out the charts the same, go and watch that video. And then we've got Asian low, and Asian high has already been swept. So there's the three levels coming into this 9:30 open that we can look out for. So we've got two levels of sell side, the London low and the Asian low, and then just one resting buy side up top. So these are going to be the targets for the day, long term. Now coming into today, the bias was bullish. That's because we're at all-time highs, well, we're close to all-time highs, and we're respecting bullish fair value gaps. So simply the bias is bullish. So we're going to get straight into it. So I jumped on, and then we're going to see where price goes. So 9:30 we open. You can see with this big wick. So we come up, we sweep some buy side there. Okay, but there was no fair value gaps left behind, so there would have been no trade entry there. But we know we just swept buy side. So now once we sweep buy side, we're probably going to target these equals, which is also London low as well. So we've got equal lows at London low. So after we swept this, I was expecting a move back down to maybe take all of the sell side down here, which is what happened. So we sweep London low, leaving behind no fair value gaps. We then sweep Asian low, okay, and quite a manipulative move. So now I know I'm looking for a reversal because the daily bias is bullish, and we've just swept both levels of sell side for the day. So the London session's gone, the Asian session has just been swept. So now we're looking for entry models. So we need an inversion fair value gap. So in this downward leg, the only one so far was this. That's the only bearish fair value gap we've got in this entire leg. So just keep playing price. Okay, so we come in, we tap into it. Okay, we get a nice rejection. So again, no trades were taken up until now. We get another small fair value gap left, so we'll just remove that. We've got another small one there. So we've got two bearish fair value gaps in this leg, and I was just waiting for the inverse. Then we get another push down after reacting from this bearish fair value gap, and now we get this large fair value gap. Now this is the one that we're interested in. It's the biggest one of all. So if we inverse this, this is clearly showing that the momentum is flipped, and we are going to reverse. So like these fair value gaps, don't get me wrong, if they get inversed, you're going to target the highs. But if a fair value gap that's this big gets inversed, then it's a lot more confidence that we are going to go up. So you can see we play price through, we keep going down, and then we start coming into it. Okay, so now we start rejecting from this bearish fair value gap. Okay, we know we've just swept Asian low, which is this level here, so we know we're looking for a reversal up. So again, as if you've watched my videos before, you'll know that most traders are going to be shorting this, okay, doing something like this, or targeting some kind of low, and that's why they're not profitable. So we're going to wait for the inversion, which we get there. Okay, so now I know that the bias is now on my side because we've just inversed a big bearish fair value gap. I showed you earlier that the daily bias is bullish because we're at all-time highs, and the only level of liquidity left is the London high, and then we've got this nice wick at the 9:30 open. So there's your TP1. So we'll mark that up as TP. and then I simply entered a long. So that was there. We're targeting the London high. My stop loss is going a candle close back below the inversion fair value gap, and we're targeting London high. So that's a 4.8 risk to reward. Play price out. So there, you could have took your partials or even closed your trade if you weren't so bullish. That was a 2-to-1. But if you left it running, we did eventually take out London high. Majority of us would have got stopped out for break even there, but the trade did eventually end up going up and taking out London high there. So that was the trade I took today. It's so simple. You just wait for a sweep of one of the liquidity levels in line with the daily bias, and then target the opposing high or low. And if you go back onto this, it all seems so clear. If we get rid of all of the colours and everything on the chart. So if you think about it, if we even get rid of these two, this trade simply stemmed from this one big bearish value gap that we inversed. We came, smashed TP, came back down and retested, so now we used it again, and then we get a nice bounce. It's that simple. That's how you can catch a trade that's this big. I made over like 2-3% on that trade, I think, and it really is that simple. So that's it for today's video. It's only a short video, but I'm just going to be showing you my trade recaps on the majority of my videos, so you can learn my strategy and see how I find my trades. If you did enjoy the video, please like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you on the next one.